kwa Rael Otundo umwanasiasa ku Kisii County. Onde tiko tebanga twabere ashamed muna abantu ba Kisii County ikiagera leaders betu twachorete bago twashemu ikiagera function nyingi bagocha kwanya bakurwana oro. That is very unfortunate. Usikwanyora every time bago kwana na mangane gisegi bago kwana, which is wrong. Liba babona tukwana mangana magendero. It's so unfortunate. Even tukiabe tega alia etono ase chikanisa cha PH yago changerwa asa abantu baumye to one kiaga saidi na bananchi bakaumya baka abantu be kanisa bakakumya ekera bana siasa bakogenda bachikolete burwe kanisa itangani bakolete gendeke bekiagara kiro montale gochocha na abantu baye ondo cha na abantu baye, which was a very wrong thing, because the thing is I watched the all elected no got the bodyguards. Why do you need other people? Kwani yokolanta bante kanisa bacho kuwagra chinko bie kanisa oseba bacho gotoki kanisa? That is a question is wrong. Number 2, igane kanisa ekero mwairwa mabaga muna elected leaders mukwane ingi yake omuntu kukwana amangana yokore tomolembe na amangana yokukwana no yokwana kukwana amangana magendero kwanya bekencheragete erengiya nandera accommodative etari koleta muntu ndarolenga kwa mwingirire mono in a bad way. That is very wrong. Language kanisa nero the language is koga yensenero nenga the language ngakisho okora chikura nero. It is very unfortunate inga banda baito bali ko differentiate these kind of things. At the end of the day bato leto robo soku asesegi yabe tumna yabe. That is very unfortunate. On the other hand, nechi kanisa cheito nainu wekera mo ko baligere litori naitu na mo to kole biashara ebi etogoma jiko kobwa sana, because one thing tumukuligeria abantu bali bawate chibesa chinyinge, you value them more than umuntu wate chibesa chinke mwebanga na umuntu uri oratete siringi sana nere ne chibesa akorete aratete uri oratete sebuku ya sate betele oseseni gumono accommodate abantu bonse wato umuntu nabwate chinke wote nabwate chinyinge nalitoko nale kanisa naye bwente ko torantero molembe anere bwente ko torengania abataka nabanda. So they to change the way of doing business. Anega to tene nyenye function nyenye kanisa tole kanisa tebo ati ODM kanisa tebo ati UDA kanisa bwente ko ba ebugata abantu bonse litugerio wikatoli sikena ne litukorioka tware omolembe to ni ngendo ku unit. Kila mtu nabwate gasi aye saga kore gasi, kila mtu afanye kazi yake. To elected leaders akole gasi yabo senjo bana bacha akikurwana gusiga iga kila mtu akole gasi aye into abananchi to iskoga ne civil society tokole gasi yoko chongwa alibatara akora gasi, lakini yenye korozi ngano mwana siasa ore elected na no teko chongwa mwana siasa ndo tara akore gasi. The best thing to do, talk on issues in a good way, in a smart way. Tiago kwana enjeragete yoko provoke esegi osi yoko gera abantu baruane ntagete nane comment ngento kende na rege ngento kende galia tu wata matanga alia nyakora an elected leader okora ame cabinet secretary okotebanga abantu baminto cabinet secretary yiye koteba mangana employment in contract ngoine barimo, which is very wrong. Amara kuona the same thing but in a better language. Lakini kurama omo obso nero le cabinet secretary na kibono kumurama. That is very wrong. Yani ngakikura mu muntu bene mole in the same part. That is very wrong. Igaba abantu bami tuwashakire kotebanga ki abalba cho rebirogo dunto komanya gosene emyaka goseninki, lakini tumiye ndogero kunga wisdom. Raba ndaba nbaba ya wisdom, you watch your language, you watch your audience. That is the only way muratire mna barai babwete koegwa na barai banda bakego se the upcoming leaders. Ntwara interview ya ngeke Tembe TV no mheshimiwa Osoro Silvanus ekerabuli wa amangana a first lady akatayanga taigurana limangana bakungura ntegudili na bakungu and what have you ntagete ko tebanga omheshimiwa Osoro abwante ko withdraw that thing. Omogungu first lady, that is not just a woman, it's a first lady. Abakungu tiakuturuka abakungu digi torigeri mtu na abakungu to kolikichikura. But when you are elected leader, when you are a leader, you are a leader. The business thing I know mokungu nyeno mo pastor no mokungu anu mo pastor kuro nyeno mo nyantari no mokungu anu mo nyantari nyeno ko elected you say ko first lady you say second lady whatever you are let you be given your title and be treated as the same. The business yoko tanga abanaba kungutini goti na barabugo when they are leaders. That is an abuse to the women of this country. So what I am saying, the honorable thing osora bwanto kokora askaba kungu aba maskani yabo nande over address as leaders. This question of saying you cannot address women is wrong. Even the yoko ta kore ke gusikali to kurama to kurwana segi na mukungu okurwana segi na kukukanira lakini uko address yo mukungu o mukungu a leader mu address as a leader, not as a woman.